Hello? Where are you?
I'm at home. Where are you?
That's the problem. I have no idea.
How can you not know where you are?
It says something. Street.
Every street says street.
Wait. I see a tree.
There are trees everywhere.
And a house. Oh.
Of course there are houses.
I see a dog.
Great. Ask the dog for directions.
Good idea. He looks smart.
Stop joking and tell me something useful.
I think I've been here for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yeah. I think I passed the same tree twice.
Stay right there. I'm coming to get you.
Okay, but hurry. The dog keeps staring at me.
I tried a new recipe today.
Oh, that looks interesting.
Try it and tell me what you think.
Of course.
Well, how does it taste?
Actually, I'm not very hungry.
You're always hungry.
Today is a special case.
So how is the food?
It's, interesting.
Just tell me the truth.
All right. It doesn't taste very good.
What did you say?
But I love you.
You're gonna eat it anyway.
So this is my punishment?
Yes, it is.
Then I'm going to need more water.
And stop complaining.
I need help immediately.
Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Your appointment is next year.
Next year? I cannot wait that long. I have a serious problem.
What kind of situation?
I have severe diarrhea. And I also have terrible gas. Oh, no.
I understand.
I cannot hold it anymore.
You have to be patient.
You patient? I am not a patient. I am a disaster.
Everyone must wait for their turn.
If you do not let me in, I will do it right here.
What? You would not dare.
Do not test my stomach.
This is a hospital, not a toilet.
My stomach is not kidding.
Go to the toilet immediately.
I cannot even walk.
Why are you still standing here?
If I start walking, it will happen in my pants.
Are you kidding me?
I will explain later.
Please don't do that.